In this video, I'll guide you through how to skip trace properties in PropWire. If you're trying to contact property owners for wholesaling, investing, or other real estate marketing strategies, skip tracing can help you find additional contact information associated with a property. PropWire lets you handle this process directly from your account, and in this guide, I'll show you how it works from start to finish. To begin, sign into your PropWire account and head to the home screen. Before you can skip trace a property, you'll first need to build a property list or search for a specific address. There are several ways to create a list using PropWire's filters, such as searching by zip code or different lead types. If you're only interested in one property, you can simply search for its address instead. Once you've located the property you want, open its details and click on the Owner section. Here you'll see the owner's available public information, such as the mailing address. However, details like phone numbers and email addresses won't appear until the property has been skip traced. Next, add the property to one of your lists. After it's been added, close the property details and open your property list from the sidebar. You'll now see the property you just saved. From here, click the Skip Trace button to begin the process. If your subscription includes monthly skip traces, those credits will be used automatically. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to add funds to your account before continuing. Follow the on-screen instructions to add funds, review the purchase amount, accept the terms, and complete the payment if necessary. After your account is funded, continue with the skip trace request. You'll be shown the remaining balance after the request is processed. Continue to the next screen, choose the contact information you'd like included in the results, and start the skip trace. The request may take a few minutes to finish processing. You can monitor its progress from the My Activity section. Once the status changes to Ready, simply click Download to save the results to your computer. When you open the downloaded spreadsheet, you'll see the available contact information that was found for the property owner, which may include names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other available details depending on the results. You can then use that information as part of your outreach process. And that's all there is to skipping a property trace in PropWire. Following these steps makes it easy to gather additional owner contact information without leaving the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.